What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Jackson. Let us go.
Alright, y'all. This for the people that have a problem with their switch. It won't come back on. You charge it up, it still won't come back on. Let's say you have it on the charger all night, it won't come back on. All you gotta do is just take these off. When you take these off, I already fixed mine. It took me like a day to figure it out. But yeah, but when you take these off, it'll come on automatic. You don't have to put it back on the charger or nothing. It's already fully charged. You don't have to do none of that. You just gotta take those side parts off, and it'll come back on. I don't know why it do that. Like, it do that once in the blue, because I was looking it up after I figured out that it just do that once in the blue. Like, you will have it on the charger. These right here, I lock the screen up from coming back on. I don't know what's wrong with that. It's something Switch should have been recognized and fixed, but it's too late now because they already got the product out. And yeah, that's all you gotta do. You gotta take these off. If you got the black screen, it won't come on that like that. You gotta charge it up, and it's not broken. Most of the time, it's not broken, but sometimes it might be broken. You might have to take it to the shop. If that don't work, if you take these off and it don't come on, most likely you got to take it to the shop. But I say if you have it off the charger for a while and you take these off, it still won't come on. Just take these off and put this on the charger by itself. Put this on the charger by itself and let it charge up for a while. Then check like 10 or 15 minutes later on. Check and see if it charge up. Alright, y'all. See you on see. Peace. I'm out.
Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you like what you see, and make sure you click on that bell to get notification when your boy upload a video or go live.